What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Driven by DN. My name is Donald.
My name is Divine, and this is my 2005 Lexus LS430.
And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how this is possibly the best car you can get under $5,000. And stay tuned at the end because I'm going to reveal how much he actually paid for this car. So let's jump right into it.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to show you guys a walk around of this latest addition to my car fleet. We'll start from the front. It has these really clear headlights. I really like that about it because normally I have to restore the headlights of my vehicles. So, that took some worry off of me. Then coming to the side area, we have these amazing, highly sought after chrome 5-spoke rims. I believe they're 19-inch. Coming around to the side, it's in this, I believe, flint mica. Yeah, flint mica. There's these panels right here that I need to finish, removing because the black starts to peel on them. It looks kind of ghetto, but once it's all chrome, I think it'll look a lot better. Coming around to the side, it's the side. Coming to the rear, I really like this design language in the rear of this vehicle. It's really sophisticated to me. Full LED tails, which look great, for a 0405 vehicle. Coming around to the side, on this side, there's a little bit of damage on the bumper. I plan to replace that, as well as a crack in the taillight. So that'll also need to be replaced. And then there's this chrome 5-spoke. 5-spoke, not chrome. This one isn't chrome, so I plan on getting that one replaced to match the other 3 rims. And that's about it for the outside of the LS430.
What's going on, guys? Donald here. While I was editing the video, I realized that the interior portion of this video that we recorded had some really terrible audio issues, so we have to skip over that part, but I'm going to include the backseat part since the audio wasn't messed up. But if you do want to see a more in-depth review of the interior, go ahead and check this other video I made. I'll link it down in the description below. It's of the LS430 as well, but I'll include some cinematics of the actual interior of this car. It just won't have any voice over it since, well, the audio is somehow messed up, so I do apologize for that. But in the future, we'll definitely do another walk around review after owning the car for a bit of time, so we can get used to it, see how this particular unit holds up, and we'll go from there. Again, sorry about that. Let's get back into the video.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the back seat of the LS430, where you preferably would like to be sitting if you owned this car when it was brand new, and you would have gotten chauffeured around in this back seat. Look it over in this door panel. Wood. One touch up and down. Your ashtray right there. Down here will be your cigarette lighter. You get air vents back here. Map pocket. Vanity mirror on both sides. There's one over there as well. And this center console, which does have heated rear seats for the passenger side and the driver side rear seat. You also get this to move the front passenger seat in case it's in your way, but obviously you can't do that for the driver's seat for safety reasons. But yeah, let me hop out so y'all can see the general outline of the rear seat. See, really nice. Yeah, that's about it, guys.
Okay, moving on to the hood, you can see the 4.3 liter V8 engine. This is a 3UZ FD engine from Lexus. It produces 290 horsepower, 320 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy numbers are 16 city, 23 highway, and yeah, look at this beautiful engine bay. Most of the things are covered under plastic, but back to the performance of the engine. It's very powerful, very smooth, especially with the transmission shifting, and basically just a buttery smooth, luxurious ride for this car.
So now that we're back on the inside of the car, I just really wanted to go over like the different things that I think really make this car a bang for your buck. So starting off with the oscillating vents, that's actually like a really crazy feature that I've never seen on any other car. I also did have a LS460 before this one, and that one did not have that. I really like how planted the car feels on the road. I do a lot of freeway driving, and you know, it feels really like solid. It's like a car that could get up to speed and you wouldn't even notice you're going that fast. Like there's been times where I've been going like 90, 95, and I'm thinking I'm going 60 because it feels so smooth. You don't feel the shifts or anything. So anything you'd like to tell them?
I think this car is a great value. As you can see, it's a really nice, luxurious car. It's a big, heavy, old school, big body, metal, big chunk of metal sedan. What I'm saying is it's a very solid build, good build quality sedan, and you can get this car. This specific unit was sold for $3,000 flat.
Yes.
So for $3,000 flat, you can get a V8 luxury sedan with Bluetooth, navigation, all the power amenities, everything, leather, all the good stuff. Basically, top of the line in 2004. This was the flagship sedan. So you get all of this, which was once $80,000 in 2004. For now, just $3,000. So if you're in the market for something nice but on a budget, I think this would be the best car possible.
Absolutely.
All right, guys. So with that, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see any more content on this car, be sure to comment down below, as well as leave us a like and subscribe if you are liking our content, and we'll be sure to bring you more. All right, guys. See you in the next one.